Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to make low-calorie, high-protein ice cream from only few ingredients. First one will be whey protein, second will be peanut butter powder, a few other ingredients which is 0-calorie stevia, sweetener, and xanthan gum. Xanthan gum actually gonna make everything smooth and thick. First of all, we're gonna put 1 scoop of our whey protein right here. 10 grams of peanut butter powder. It's super low on fat, just the peanut butter without fat. You can add sweetener, you can skip it. I like a little bit more sweeter, so we're gonna add like that. I got here about 3 teaspoons of sweetener, and we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, right about this amount. Our next step will be we're gonna add the ice cubes as another important ingredient. Ice cubes and a little bit of water, and then we're gonna start mixing it up. So here we are, I use them all. Some people use more, some people use less. I would say this is right about a good amount right there. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water and I'm gonna start mixing. So here, let's add a little bit of water. You want to add little by little. The less water, the more thick ice cream will be. All right, let's power it on. Start with low. Medium. And you can see it's already thickening a little bit. Then we're going to use high. Alright, so far so good. Let's check it out. You can open and see. We want it to be like ice cream consistency. So far it looks super good, creamy. I think I put a little bit too much water, but in this case you always can add a little bit more of dry ingredients and some more ice. Also add some more xanthan gum if it's not as desired for you. So this is the consistency right now, which is pretty good looking, I would say. Look at that. Okay, so I just tried and I still can feel in my teeth little pieces of ice, so I'm gonna mix it more. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably add a little bit more of xanthan gum. All right, just added some xanthan gum, and we're gonna start on low again. Alright, let's shake it out. Wow, now it looks even more better. Look at that. Let's try. And tastes amazing. And the most important thing, look how much is here. It's like 1.5 liter. This is how much ice cream you got, and the total calories of it is less than 200 calories per 1.5 liter. I'm gonna try to eat all of this and it will be less than 200 calories. Exact amount of calories I'm gonna put right now over here, so you will see it. And if you wanna make the same ice cream, go ahead and try it and let me know in comments if you liked it or not. You know, you always can add stuff, whatever you like, frozen fruits, like anything you want basically you wanna fit in, just put in your macros, calculate. The most important thing, don't forget xanthan gum. And you can even skip, if you don't want protein ice cream, you can skip protein, add some xanthan gum, some ice, some frozen fruits. You can skip this if you don't want, like, and make it even less calories and more volume. So this is my tip for you guys. For ice cream, you don't want it to spill when you flip it around. So here it is, look at that. This is the consistency you want. All right, go ahead and try it and let me know in comments what you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.